I'm in the stand now. Heard a couple shots already. The deer should be moving. Stay tuned. I'm in a good spot. Can see quite a ways. Whew, got a deer laying, guys. There we go, guys. There's my deer. Pretty good shot. That's the tree I had to get around. The stand is right there. Literally, I was standing on top of the bar there to get around this tree in order to shoot this deer. And I stopped him about here. He stopped right behind the stinking tree. You can see where he was. And I gave him one right there, almost in the neck. Right there. I guess that might be Audi. Yeah, right there in the neck. Man, we'll see what the rest of the rifle season brings. We'll get some pictures of this guy and then get him out of here. Gonna be it for my hunting for today, so stay tuned. We're gonna get this guy dressed up and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shot another deer. Oh, man, that deer came from the same area over there. Came with another deer, actually. I could have shot that one too, but in Pennsylvania you're not allowed to shoot them consecutively. You have to get your tag and get another one. So that one, I don't know if I would have been able to hit it with that much brush. Look at all the brush we have here. But that deer came right at the edge of this tree right there, popped its head out, and I shot it right in this, I think towards the heart, but it rolled, and I think it's laying right there in the brush. Alright guys, here's the second deer. Big mama doe. Look at that, perfect shot. She was like right there, rolled her up, fell and rolled right there. And I got her, so 2 deer today. Oh, there's another shot. Someone on the hill just shot again. I'm stoked, guys. This is the first time I've ever gotten a deer on opening day, and this is the first time I've gotten 2 deer, like in the same day. Wonderful morning. I didn't think I was gonna see anything down here, because I've never been in this stand. Stand's right there. Hear that shot? Guys are shooting. Deer moving. Stay tuned. And I thought one deer was bad. Both of them are just, they're not small deer either. I'm just exhausted because I have that, a big backpack full of gear, and then my rifle to carry. It was only about 100 yards or so, but it's uphill, and well, you can see the squirrely crap I had behind me. I had to get it down to the path here, right there, in order to drag it up. Otherwise, I would have never got through this. So, yeah. Stay tuned. Nap time.